Want to make sense of your sales data at a glance? In this video, you'll learn how to use grouping, a simple tool that helps you spot patterns and summarize your data in seconds. I've already added a couple of columns to the customer order dynamic view. Now, let's group the data. First, I need to make sure the group by box is visible. To do this, I'll right-click on any column header and choose Show Group by Box. Notice it appears above the column headings. Now to group by invoice period, I simply drag and drop it into the group by box. Notice that you can see two arrows on the left to let you know you have it in the right location. If you see an X, you've gone too far and need to come back down. You can also right-click and choose Group by this column instead. Now the data appears as a single line for each period. If I want to see the details, I can click the plus icon to the left of the group, or I can right-click on the column header or anywhere in the group by box and choose Full Expand. To reduce the level of detail, click the minus next to the group, or right-click and choose Full Collapse. Within each group, the sort functionality works. So I'll click the customer name once to sort by it. To change the order of the grouped column, you can do the same thing. Now my periods and customer names are both sorted. Grouping can be as simple or as complex as you need. By dragging the item, purchased, or manufactured flag into the group by box, the data is now grouped by period first, then by how the item was sourced. It's a much cleaner picture. If I change my mind and want to remove the grouping, I have a few options. To remove just one column, I can drag and drop it back where I want it to appear. Or I can right-click and choose Ungroup. Dragging and dropping gives you more control. If I want to remove all the groups, then I right-click in the Group by box and choose Clear Grouping. Keep in mind, if you add more columns so you can drill into details, the report might become less useful. For example, if I add the item number to this report, patterns might be harder to see. Grouping is a powerful way to turn a detailed report into a clear summary. A good rule of thumb, if a report starts feeling cluttered, split it into two. Sometimes two focused reports are more useful than one big one. Give grouping a try and check out our other videos for more ways to get the most out of your Pulse dashboard.